Hi friends, this is Parvati from Opera Capsticky. Welcome to my channel. I need your support, so please subscribe, share and like my videos. Also, you can mention your valuable comments in the comment box. Today I'm uploading here the video for ImmiAccount. I'm getting so many inquiries regarding this one, especially for the EOA and visa process. I already started one video regarding that one, how we want to fill the form 80, these things. In coming videos also I am including more details regarding that one. So you can check it my channel. Okay, so today anyway, first before the EOA we want to know about how we want to create the IMMI account. I think most of them know about this procedure, but if somebody don't have the idea regarding this one, because of that I'm discussing this topic here. Okay, so the first one is ImmiAccount, how we want to create it. First we want to select the Department of Home Affairs page. Then once you select that link, the screen will be open for their main page. Okay, this is the one whatever I mentioned in the first slide. In the section I highlighted with one red arrow, ImmiAccount, we want to select that one. Once you select, this page will be open for the login page. You can scroll down to find the option to create an ImmiAccount. So you can scroll it down. At the bottom of this slide I mentioned here with the red arrow, create ImmiAccount. You can choose that one. After this one, the screen will be open for the email address. So whatever our email registered mail ID, we want to mention that one here. Then they will send a verification code to your mail ID. So you can check your personal mail and you can enter the verification code here. Then once you enter this one, the next option you can choose it at the right corner of this slide. Then the next page will be open for the services required. Whatever the fields they marked with the red star, we want to complete it, that one. Okay, the rest of the things if you don't want, you can leave it. Okay, what type of online services do you need? That's individual or organization, whatever US, you can choose it, that one. I choose it here, individual. The next one for the new user details, family name, given name, phone, mobile phone. These details we want to mention. Once you complete this one, you can select the next option. Then the next screen is open for this one, account details. So first one we want to mention the username, that's your mail ID, and then you can create the password also. So lowercase, uppercase, digit 0 to 9, and the minimum 14 characters we need to mention here. So new password and retype your new password. Then the next slide is continuation of the previous one. So secret questions and answers. If you forgot your new password, so that time we want to remember this one. So once you choose the options here, please note somewhere, this is very important. If you forgot your your username or password, whatever, they will ask the security questions. Because of that we want to mention somewhere. Then the declaration, you can choose the first section for you accept the ImmiAccount, that terms and conditions you can mark it. Then the security check, I am not a robot. Then the next screen is open for the multi-factor authentication. This one I already mentioned in my previous videos also. So when you are starting this process, first you want to make sure your phone have this one, or otherwise you have the option here also, you can start the new one here. Okay, or otherwise you can download the app in your phone or the laptop or somewhere. So you can choose it, that one. Then if you have already, you can choose it, that one, or otherwise if you don't have, you want to create a new one. Okay, once you complete this one, the Google authentication, these are the main steps for regarding this one. Once you completed this one, after this one your ImmiAccount will confirm it. Then you can log in again and continue the next process. That is the next one is EOA submission. How we want to submitting the application for EOA, I will discuss in my next video. I already created. Within 2-3 days I will upload.